Welcome to this video on Jiāotōng Gōngjù, which means means of transport in Chinese. First, we have Barco, which is chuan in Chinese, meaning boat or ship. Next, airplane is Fēijī, and the airport is Jīchǎng. Car is called Qìchē. The bus can be either bashi or Qìchē. Taxi is Chūzūchē.
Tren is pronounced Huǒchē, and the metro is known as Dìtiě.
For moto, we say Mótuōchē, and bicycle is Zìxíngchē. And helicopter is Zhíshēngjī. A hot air balloon is called Rèqìqiú. Here is a summary of the transportation modes we've covered, each with their corresponding Chinese characters.